What is going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Just getting to the water. It's probably about, what time is it? It's 9:14 in the morning. So just got everything all set up. I've got some pack bait left over from my last session about a week and a half ago. I'm going to throw that out right now, chum the area up, and then we'll get the rods baited up, get them out there, and we'll see what happens. It's a mid-fall day. Beautiful day today, man, unseasonably warm. I just dipped my foot in the water. Water temps are definitely dropping though, but hopefully we can get some big old fish today. We'll see what happens. Stay with me. Okay, as I was saying, we've got pack bait from our last session, which was just, I don't know, probably a week and a half ago. Still looks pretty decent, but we're just going to use this to chum the area. Ball it up, throw it out there. Whoa, almost fall in. And we'll get her balled up. Bring in some carp that might not be in here already. Hopefully this is where we want to fish. Well, this is the only spot I could cast over there. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. But my elbows. Can't throw like I used to. Shoulder, elbows, everything hurts. All right, real quick, I'll go over my rods, my reels. We've got the Sonic Extractor 9-foot 3-pound test curve rod. Love these rods. They're nice and compact for travel, and they work well. And for reels, I got a Bait Runner Kuma CBF 55. Both rods, reels are the same on the two rods that I do have. And then for end of the line, the business end, I also have 30-pound monofilament on there for line. But on the business end here, we've got a 1.75 ounce Corda bait up feeder. Got a hair rig, cheap one I bought from Amazon, pre-tied. And I've got fake yellow corn for hook bait, and those are size 4 hooks. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get baited up. I'll show you what my bait is. For our pack bait, we've got 40+ ounce container of Quaker instant oats, 2 cans of sweet cream corn, 2 packets of pineapple Jello mix, and I believe that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. I'm a little fuzzy today in the head. But yeah, that's our pack bait. We're going to get that loaded on. Let's get these rods out there. I've already chummed the area. Ready to catch some fish. Let's do it. Okay, let's get these bad boys out there, man. I don't know where I'm throwing them. Wherever, everywhere, anywhere. That works. Works for me. Other one, I'll throw a little bit more to the right of it. I have to go down here to cast, so I'm not casting back of my rod into the trees. There we go, that works too. Tighten the lines up a little bit. All right, boys, 9:32. Rods are in the water. Now, as always, just play the waiting game. Oh yeah. Oh, this one feels good. Maybe. Oh. Time we got 10:11, man. About 45 minutes. Come on, baby. Looks like he's hung up on something. There's a snag or something out there. I don't know what it is, man, but this one feels good, man. I don't want to lose him. Come on, buddy. Work your way out of that snag. Come on. Well, we've got one on this line right here. And it appears that he's hung up on something, so I'm just gonna put it back in the rod here, rod pod. Put the bait runner on, and I'm hoping he's gonna free himself. I'm just gonna let it be for right now. I don't wanna have to break the line. I don't wanna lose the fish, man. He felt like a nice fish. Pain in the butt right there, pain. All right, we had to break the right-hand rod, the line on the right-hand rod. Had to take, got snagged into something, I don't know what, and couldn't free it up, broke the line. So had to re-rig, bait up. I decided to pull the left-hand rod and freshen up the pack bait on that. So get these bad boys out there. Maybe not gonna go out as far on this one. Just past, looks like a little patch of grass, and I'm just gonna go just past that right there. I love carp fishing, man. Got into it a few years ago, but one of the most frustrating things is getting snagged or getting line cut. Losing fish, man. All right, we rebaited. It's 11:30. Rebaited the rods. I'm gonna cast them back out far because it doesn't seem like we're getting any kind of action. Oh, there we go. Back in for the third time. Let's get a fish, man. Let's get a fish. There we go. We got one. Keep them high, man. Keep them high. I don't want them getting buried in anything. Come on. We got one, finally. We've had a take before this, but we lost them. Keep them high, man. Keep them out of any gunk. Oh yeah, we're gonna go down here. Come here. We'll bring them over this way. Come on, don't get under that stuff. There's some snags over there, I think. Come on. Over here, over here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, that's painful. Lost them. Oh man, that's 2 fish lost. This one just came off the hook. I muscled them too much. I was worried about them getting all in that snag stuff. I know there's logs showing and there's logs underneath. I didn't want them getting in there and losing them. I think I muscled them too hard. Pulled the hook out. Man, that's aggravating. Okay, we lost that fish. Pulled both the rods. Baited them back up. Sending them back out there. You know what? I think I'm gonna make do the right hand rod now because I want my left. To be a little bit more that way. Perfect, man. Okay, let's try this again, man. 2 takes, lost them both. So at least we got a bite going, but I'd like to land one. It's kind of the point of it all, don't you think? Shoot. We got fire alarm. Stop making noise. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, man. Come on, he's coming in. I'm gonna keep him high so he doesn't get any snags on the bottom of the river here. Doesn't feel very big, but I don't care, man. Just want to land a fish. 3rd take. Lost the other 2. One got in the snags. I had to break the line. Couldn't get him out. 2nd one popped the hook on me. Coming right into shore, man. Oh yeah, he's way over there. He's trying to get in those weeds over there. There's some little weeds in there by the shoreline. He's got some weed on him. He's caught up in some weed, but I see him. We're bringing some weed in with this one, but that's okay. Yeah, baby. Get her net. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. We lost him. What the fuck is going on here, man? Oh my God. We lost him. We lost another fish. This is insane, dude. That's 3 fish lost. I don't know what to say, man. It is 12:51. We've had 3 takes. We've lost 3 fish. First one, as I've said, that one felt nice too, man. But that first one got caught in some kind of snag. It felt like on the bottom of the river, like maybe in some deadfall or something. I don't know, rock or something. Had to finally break the line. And last 2, man, they popped the hook on me, so very frustrating, you know. I don't know what's worse, not getting any takes or getting takes and not landing them. I mean, I'll take the takes, not landing them, but still very frustrating. We'll probably fish for a couple more hours. I don't know, another hour, another 2, I don't know. If we don't get a bite, like say in another hour, hour and a half, then I might pack it up. But we're getting the bites, man. Just can't land them. Disappointing. Frustrating. We just rebaited the rods. Fresh pack bait. Gonna fish for 1 more hour. It's just before 2 o'clock. It's like 10 minutes of. Okay. We're in. There we go. I think he's hooked. He's hooked. Let's not lose this one. Come on, buddy. Stay high. Stay clear of the snags. I promise you, if I get you on shore, I will handle you with love and attention, and I'll get you right back in the water. Just saw his fin. There he is. Got him up nice and high. Stay out of that snag stuff, buddy. It's a decent one, man. It's a decent one. It's definitely going to be double digit. There he is. Beautiful. Finally, a fish. I haven't landed him, so I don't want to jinx it, but we got him in pretty close. I'm going to grab our net here. Stay with me, buddy. Stay with me. Oh, yeah. This is our blank / skunk saver right here. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. We got a bit of a beast here. He's in the net, my friends. He is in the net. Thank goodness, man. It's been a long day. It is 2:13, man. This is our 4th take, our first fish. We've lost 3 before him. He's a decent size too, man. He's a decent size. I'm gonna try to get the hook out here in the net. All right, come on, buddy. Oh, that water's cold. Oh yeah, we got a decent fish here. Oh, we got a decent fish. Right in the bottom, look at that. Yeah, there it is. Hook is out, baby. Hook is out. Let's get him back in that net. That is a decent fish, dude. Oh, that is a good fish, man. It's a good fish. I'm gonna let you hang there for a little bit. All right, brother. I am pumped. I am so pumped right now to land this bad boy, and it's a decent fish, man. It is a good sized fish. He's a bruiser. Come on. Oh yeah. He might be a 20+ pounder right here. Oh yeah. We might have ourselves a 20+ pounder. Oh yeah, look at all these stings. These stings are sticking on everything. He is long and he is thick. All right. Just the way we like them, huh, boys? Long and thick. You know I'm just joking. All right. Let's let it off, yeah. There we go. My God, these things are all over the freaking place. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's beautiful. He is beautiful. Right, maybe get some water on him. Okay. Let's get this zipped up. Get you on the scale. Get a weight, baby. Go get a weight. Oh, yeah. He's definitely... Well, I don't want to say definitely, but I think he's over 20. To me, that is a prized fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Lock it out at 24 pounds, 0.4 ounces. So 24 pounds -2 for the sling, man. That's a 22-pound fish right there. Awesome. Awesome. Oh yeah. 22 pounds, baby. 22 pounds. A little bit more water. Oh yes. Awesome. Show you off, brother. Oh, come on, work with me. Work with me. Oh yeah. Come on, he's a feisty. He's a feisty one. There we go, my friends. 22 pounds right there. Beautiful, gorgeous fish. Oh yeah, look at him. He's got some oomph in him. Beautiful. Nice, beautiful kiss for you, my friend. My blank saver. If you're gonna have a blank saver, man, this skunk saver, this is the one to have. 22 pounds, brother. Beautiful. Awesome. Oh yeah. Let's get a look at the other side. A little bit more water and then we'll get you in, brother. We'll get you in, I promise you. Oh yeah, come on. One more look at you. Look at all that nice, beautiful slime. Oh, I love it. I love it. There he is. Gorgeous, man. All right, get him back in, man. I gotta savor this. Gotta savor it. Beautiful. Beautiful colors too, man. Hi. Oh yeah. Look at that gut, man. Let's just chill out here in the water. Oh, he's ready, man. I think he's ready. Oh yeah, there he is. Look at him. Freaking gorgeous. There he goes, man. He's out. Oh yeah, man. Oh, so freaking awesome. So freaking awesome to catch that fish, man. Man, I was this close to calling it quits maybe about a half hour ago. About a half hour, 45 minutes ago. I was gonna just pack it up, call it a day. I had the 3 lost fish. I was frustrated, just wasn't feeling confident, man. Then I said, okay, let me pull these rods, let me bait them back up and put them back out there, fish for 1 more hour until 3 o'clock. And then we got that last take, man. Brought in that beauty, man, that 22 pounds of river fury, man. And that made it worth it all by itself, man. This whole day, I think I had rods in the water at 9:30. So we've been fishing, you know, for a good chunk of the day. And to finally get this beast. And man, I just couldn't ask for anything more. I think we're gonna fish for maybe another half hour. Maybe I'll bait this back up, and you know. But I'm satisfied now, man. You know, with that one giant 20+ pounder, I am satisfied. I'm happy. I'm a very happy camper. So let's go ahead and bait this back up. We'll throw it back out there. See if we can't get one more. If not, no biggie. Fish for another half hour, or you know, who knows? Maybe we'll fish for another hour, hour and a half. I don't know. But yeah, man, I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped. Awesome. Totally awesome. Okay, so I changed my mind, man. It's like 2:55. So I brought both the rods back in, fresh pack bait, cast them back out there. Gonna fish for 1 more hour until 4 o'clock. See if we can't get one more. If not, I don't care. I got that nice 22 pounder. That made my day. So I'm happy with that. But we'll fish for 1 more hour. Used up just about the last of the pack bait. We have a little bit left over, but yeah. So let's get these out there and see if we can't get one more. We're gonna kind of keep them straight out, I guess, or straight out from here a little bit to the right of that. We're aiming kind of for that white building, and then the right-hand rod will go just to the right of that. Oh, I'm tripping on rocks here. Okay, they're in. One more hour. See what happens. Got him in. We got him in. All right, let's get this bad boy out of the net onto the cradle. We will get a weight on him. He's big enough. He's weight worthy. Make sure his fins are nice and tucked in. Don't want to do any damage to these beautiful, gorgeous fish. Again, not as big as the last one that we landed, but he's a nice thick one. Should definitely be over the 10-pound mark. Thinking anywhere from 12 to, oh yeah, he's got some fight in him. 12 to 15. We'll get a weight and then we'll show him off. Zeroed out. Oh yeah. 16 pounds, 13 ounces, man. Just shy of 15 pounds. 15 pounds, man. 15 pounds and above, anywhere around 15 pounds and above, man, to me is a very good quality fish. So just shy of 15. We're taking 2 pounds off of the sling. So yeah, beautiful. Okay, my friend. Here we go. Let's show you off, man. Oh yeah, baby. Beautiful. Just shy of 15 pounds, man. I think, what'd I say? 16 pounds and 13 ounces. So just a hair under 15 with taking off the sling. Just 2 pounds. Beautiful fish, man. Awesome, man. Fish number 2, and it's gonna be our last fish. It's, I don't even know what time it is. I can't see my watch right now, but it's probably about 3:30-ish or so, 3:45-ish. I was gonna fish until 4, or the next fish. This is next fish, so we're gonna call it. But yeah, man, awesome. Had a tough day in the beginning. Landed 3, then finally, or not landed 3. I had 3 takes and lost them. And then the last 2 takes I landed. So 5 takes total, lost 3, landed 2. Awesome. Let's get him back in. Oh yeah. He is thick and he is full of fight. Get you in this water. You can chill out for a little bit. Oh yeah. Just don't float away on me. Oh yeah, look at him. He's ready. He's ready. Oh yeah, you're ready, aren't you? Aren't you, brother? Yeah, nice deep cold water. There he goes. He's out. Yeah, buddy. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Got another rock in my shoe. All right, folks. 2 fish, 5 takes, 3 lost, 2 landed. Like I said before, man, I know I'm a little bit redundant sometimes, but yeah, it was tough, man. Not that we weren't getting the bites, just weren't landing them. That first one, again, I think he got snagged on some kind of rock or deadfall on the bottom of the river, and I couldn't get him freed up. Tried just, setting the rod and, letting him free himself for a half hour or so. It wasn't working, so I just pulled the rod, pulled the line, broke it, and freed it up. So, and then the second one and the third one, the hook just popped off, Popped off the one. I was muscling him too hard, I think, so I might have pulled it out. Yeah, third one, he got in the weeds, popped the hook. Then we landed that beautiful 22-pound river monster, man. That was awesome. That made the trip all worth it by itself. And then we just finished with a nice near 15-pounder. Somehow that hook was on his belly. So I don't know if it was in his mouth or he popped it off and then it hooked him in the belly. So we're gonna count it though, we're gonna count it. Yeah, man, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna pack up and head home. Yeah, we'll be out a few more times, I think, before the season ends. It's starting to get fallish, and the winter is going to be setting in here pretty soon. We'll get a lot of ice up my way. Some of the rivers, though, stay open all winter for most years, so I might try to get out for some winter fishing, but I'm definitely going to get out a few more times in the fall here. So, and if anybody has anything they want me to go over, especially when the season kind of dies down for me, I can do some gear reviews. I'm not really big on gear reviews or doing any reviews in general, but I can if you want to see something, man. If you've seen something in past videos that you'd like me to go over, I will. So, but as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.